Hello, good night. My name is Santiago Flores, and tonight I will a presentation of my mom. In this little presentation, I'm going to talk about my mom, her hobbies, and some of her daily activities. Her full name is Luz Dari Ramirez Hernandez. She was born in September 3rd, 1965 in Bogota, Colombia. Her nationality is Colombian. She usually gets up early in the morning, like 7 a.m., to prepare the breakfast. After that, we go to the park with my grandma and my dog for a walk. We arrive at 10, then she begins to make the lunch. At 1 p.m., my mom finishes cleaning the house and she really likes to ride bike. So we go bike riding in the neighborhood, we eat an ice cream and go back to the house. Her favorite topic of ice cream is chocolate. He loves all chocolate. In the night, we like to see movies. She loves scary movies. So we have a tradition that every night we watch a scary movie and eat popcorns. Her favorite hobbies. One of her hobbies is knitting with crochet. She really enjoys making things like scarves, hats, backpacks, and a lot of things. Also, she studies English at Duolingo and listen to music and podcasts in English too. She enjoys to learning. And finally, in the weekends, we go to play basketball and do exercises. She likes to go jogging and she really likes to keep moving. So this is one of the most important things of my mom. So thank you for listening. Good night.